Today in this video lesson, I'm going to show you how to make alpha maps in Photoshop, and then I'm going to show you how to import the alpha map in Unity. In the Unity engine, I will show you what it looks like when you apply the alpha map texture to the material to make it transparent. You can watch my beginner collection, which is free to watch on my website, or if you want to learn more deep creative art skills, you can check out my paid content on the master collection page. On the right hand side, you're going to make a folder to put all your layers into that folder, only if you have multiple layers. Then you're going to make a duplicate of that folder by holding Ctrl and J on the keyboard. You're going to merge the folder as one by holding Ctrl E on the keyboard. So once that's done, you're going to select the layer by holding the Control key and then click on the layer thumbnail, and then you're going to go to channels. Down the bottom, you're going to click on save selection as channel icon. So yeah, go down to the bottom and you're going to click on the save selection as channel icon, and that's it. This will create your alpha map. Your alpha map is ready to go, but before we start saving the alpha map, we need to go and check a few things by going to the image at the top menu, clicking on the mode, and then scroll down to make sure that RGB color is selected and make sure that 8-bit channel is selected. This will save our files as Tiger files. Make sure your file options for alpha, channels, and channels are ticked, and then save the file. Now we're going to go into Unity to import the Tiger files. If you go to Assets and then right click, you will see a list of options. So select the Import New Assets to locate your textures, and import your 3D objects in the game engine. Add a folder so that you know where your project files are. Do the same thing again by going to Create, scroll down to the bottom, click on Material, and this will create a material. In the Assets folder, if you select the material, and there will be some options on the right hand side in Inspector at the top that says Shader. Click on the bottom arrow icon to change the material type to standard material. It's in standard already, so I don't have to change this, but if you don't see this in your shader, then maybe you're using a latest version of Unity 6. For people who are new to Unity, I will go to the Unity website and download the older edited version of Unity from 2022 to 2023. For beginners, I would always start with 3D build in render pipeline or 2D build in render pipeline. But people who have more experience using Unity would use Universal 3D or 2D. Then we are going to go to Albedo to apply the texture to the material, and then that's it. You're ready to go. You're done. Finish. Select the material and drop it on the 3D object. If you go into the hierarchy and select one of the 3D objects, you can apply it there, or you can just drag it on top of the 3D object. Just make sure that you select the 3D object first, then drag it and drop it, or you can drag it and drop it into the hierarchy. There's some other things I would like to share with you, but not in this video, so I'm going to keep it simple here. But you can see that the alpha maps are working correctly. So yeah, that's it. You're ready to go. Now you know how to create alpha maps. So I will see you in my next video lesson. Like I always say every time, the more you know, the more you grow. The more you learn, the more you earn. There's no excuse, you have the time to learn.